just enough of the brick already chipped away that allows the joiners to hide in the gap. Now slide the doorbell in place and do up the security screw using the tool provided. Now remove the old chime and plug in the new chime. We'll go through the 4 different chime sounds. Here I have notifications to my phone and my watch. Now to check back on the footage, click on messages at the bottom of the screen, then click on your alerts. Here you can see all the different days and what was recorded, which will tell you if the doorbell was pressed, or it will say motion detection, which displays the time and also an image of what it saw. When playing the video, if I rotate my phone, it will show